Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PC Geo Kimberlite, a source of diamond. Today we are going to see a scholarship sponsored by HDFC Bank Parivartan. That is the foundation. HDFC Bank Parivartan is giving a scholarship for HDFC Bank Parivartan's COVID Crisis Support Scholarship for the year 2021 and year 2022. For this academic year, this scholarship is given in the name of HDFC Bank Parivartan COVID Crisis Support Scholarship 2021 for diploma, undergraduate as well as the postgraduate student. And here in this particular scholarship, the student can get up to 75,000 rupees. Up to 75,000 rupees, and the last date for filling this form is 31st October 2021. So here we are going to see today HDFC Bank Parivartan's COVID Crisis Support Scholarship for diploma, undergraduate as well as postgraduate. I am Dr. Sajid Undekar, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Geology, AKI's Pune College of Arts, Science, Commerce, CAM, Pune, Maharashtra, India, and it is affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University, that is SPPU Pune, and formerly it is known as University of Pune. Is the HDFC Bank Parivartan COVID Crisis Support Scholarship. Now we'll see step by step for the first we'll see the diploma, all branches. Remember there is no one branch or two branch. It is given scholarship for all branches. Similarly for undergraduate, general as well as professional. There are the two categories are there in the undergraduate. If your course is come as an undergraduate, I have been written here BCom, BAc, BA, BCA, BBA, whichever you have an undergraduate, hotel management is the BSc nursing, that will be comes under that particular part. BSc nursing will come under the professional course. Then the professional courses undergraduate, BTech, B, MBBS, LLB, B Arc, Architect, that is Arc, and the nursing, BSc nursing. So that comes. So those who are there in the professional undergraduate, if your degree is like that or you're doing that course, then this will be there. Just undergraduate, general and professional. Similar one for the postgraduate in the general category, whichever the subject we have taken in the undergraduate, MCom, MSc, MA, MCA, that will become under that particular category, and in professional, B, MTech, ME or MBA. So these are the diploma, undergraduate and postgraduate. So here I have clear for which particular student this particular scholarship is there. So this is the vast area or vast subjects are there as compared the general as a professional, undergraduate as well as a postgraduate, and all types of diploma courses you can make it into that particular part. Now we'll see the program about the HDFC. The HDFC Parivartan COVID Crisis Support Scholarship is the initiative of HDFC Bank to support the children of this family who has been affected due to the COVID crisis, and to continue their education they have been supporting in the form of a scholarship. So that is the intention, the motto of this particular scholarship, and the whatever the scholarship is there in this, HDFC is giving from 1st standard to 12th standard, that is called as in-school program, that has been already have been uploaded on my YouTube channel. Those who are there or in your families or nearby close families or in your group, might be anyone may be there in 1st standard to 12th standard who has been affected. That video is already uploaded. Now today we have been going to focus on UG, PG as well as the diploma course. Now in this, the important criteria what is there under this scholarship, the student who has lost either or both of their parents or earning members of the family, or whose earning family members have lost their unemployment and they become the unemployed during the pandemic, which will be provided with a one-time financial assistance from rupees 15,000 to rupees 75,000 to support their education. That is a very, very important goal is there of this HDFC Parivartan already. Whatever the HDFC has ECS scholarships are there. I have been uploaded on my YouTube channel, that is a PC Geo Kimberlite. Those who are the newcomers are there, they can go and see. There are the vast topics which are there. I have been made as a separate files. I have been made. Schools, I have made a separate file. 11, 12, I made a separate file. Then undergraduate, then postgraduate, that is the non-professional, then the engineering, medical, then nursing, that has been made separate. B.Ed I made a separate. So these are the categories that have been made in my YouTube channel. So HDFC Bank, everyone knows it is the best private bank and the financial provider who supports with this program to those family which has been affected due to the COVID pandemic. And with this, they are going to support them to continue their children in their education. Now, what should be the eligibility for this particular scholarship? Whatever the applicant should be there, he should be a Indian national. This is the first condition. Second one, the student must be currently studying in diploma, undergraduate or postgraduate, general as well as the professional programs, and students who have been through any the below two crisis situation, those two important crises which are there, the family has to gone through that particular part after the January 2020. So first, what we have, the family members, both the parents or any one of the parent has lost after the June or since January 2020. The second one, the earning members of the family lost their job and they become the unemployment during this pandemic. So for them also, these are the very, very important condition for this particular scholarship. And they have raised the income limit here in a ECS. They have kept the 5 lakh, but now today in this particular HDFC Bank Parivartan, the COVID crisis support scholarship, they have kept up to 6 lakh rupees from all sources. And the children of the employees of HDFC Bank and Buddy for Study are not eligible to take part into this particular scholarship. Now, what are the benefits they are going to get into this particular scholarship? The first, for the diploma course, they are going to get one time 20,000 rupees. For undergraduate, that is a general category, BA, BSc, BSc, BCom, BBA, that will be 30,000 one time scholarship will be given. For postgraduate, MSc, MCom, MA, etc., they are given 35,000. These are the what we have the general categories, what we have undergraduate as well as the postgraduate. For the professional undergraduate, yes, those who are doing the MBBS, BTech, LLB, the Bachelor of Archaeology, Architect, BSc Nursing courses, for them, one time 50,000 rupees has been kept as a scholarship. And for those who are doing the professional postgraduate courses, that is MTech and ME, that is ME, MTech, MBA, these are comes as a postgraduate professional courses for them from rupees 55,000 to 75,000. So this is a huge amount. Those who are eligible and they are suffered, they are the eligible for this one, they have to go for this scholarship. The note is given by this HDFC Bank Parivartan. The scholarship fund can be only utilized for what? Academic expenses, which includes tuition fee, hostel fees, food, internet, online learning devices, books and stationery. Only for this purpose they have to use that financial support. Now, what are the important documents are required? There is a list is there. The first one, mark sheet of the previous examination. Yes, whichever the examination he has done, he has to give the mark sheet. If you don't have that, then previous examination, he has to give the mark sheet. Then the next one, very important one, he has to issue a government issued identity card, whether in the form of Aadhaar card, voter ID card, driving license, PAN card, the current year admission proof where he has taken the admission, whichever the fees he has been given partly or fully, fee receipt or admission letter or institution identity card or bona fide certificate. So that has to be given for the year 2020-2021. And the very important one, crisis document, that is death certificate of the parent or the proof of job loss. And very important one, reference of two persons who know the family crisis, those family which are there in the crisis. They can have a school teacher because the student is there in the school. So school teacher, but now here we are doing the diploma is there. So school teacher will not be here. So doctor, head of the school, that is diploma, then college or a government officer. They will be have to recommend the two reference letter is required. Then bank account on the name of the applicant, if it is there, it is well and good. If it don't have, then the parent, but it has to be a KYC has to be there. Yes, Aadhaar card has to be linked, and the photograph of the applicant, passport size photograph. And for this, everything what we have been taken, it is from the Buddy for Study. This is the scholarship portal is there. From this material has been taken, and this HDFC Bank has linked with this Buddy for Study, and they have been, all the details are given on this particular portal. Now, how you have to apply for this scholarship? You have to go to this buddyforstudy.com. Yes, this is the scholarship portal. You have to go over there and you have to register your ID, and you have to make there as a login. For this login, you have to sign up and fill all the details which are there in that. And once the sign up is there, the sign up has to done with the help of your email, mobile, Facebook or Gmail account. So once you are registered over there, from there you have to redirect it to the HDFC Bank Parivartan COVID Crisis Support Scholarship Application Form. Click on the Start Application button to begin the application form. Fill all the whatever the details which are there on the application. Upload all the required documents. They are should be high resolution. Clear one version is there, and whatever the MB they have been asked, that much MB has to be there. And after that, accept the terms and condition and click the preview. Once you see the preview, whatever the detail you have been filled, they are correct. Whatever the uploaded documents are there, they have been properly there. Then once you are satisfied, then press the submit button. Then your application will go into this particular scholarship. And the last date is 31st October 2021. In case if you have any queries, please contact to the Buddy for Study. This is the directly the portal is there. In that portal, the number has given 011-430-92248, extension 116, and Monday to Friday morning 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. And if you have the email, you can write down over there HDFC Bank's ECS@buddyforstudy.com. So this is what we have about this particular scholarship. Everyone has to go for this scholarship if your family has been suffering due to this COVID crisis. Similar COVID crisis scholarship has been uploaded. Those who are interested, they can go and see on my channel and apply. Maximum you can apply so that anyone can click, because all these are the national level scholarships are there, and the number will be less and the number will be more, applicants will be more. So based on your the requirement, your academics and your financial condition, your form will be accepted. I hope you may get the scholarship. That is my intention is there, that I wanted to make the spread the message of creating an awareness among the students of the masses, parents, they whichever viewing my videos, please I request them, make them the reach this particular scholarship to a deserving candidate. I hope from my side I cleared. Thank you. Have a nice day.